What's going on, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel. Today we are doing an engine intake install on my buddy's 2013 Kia Optima 2.0 T. So let's go ahead and unbox this really quick, get straight into it, and yeah. Alright, so as you guys can see, we've already started unboxing it and opening everything up. So they actually sent a nice big filter. We'll see how long the engine filter actually lasts. And then it's just one pipe, one clamp, heat shield, and another clamp. And we'll probably end up using the factory little air ram thing. Also, this thing. Probably just leave this in place. Yeah, let's get right to it, guys. Alright, so the first couple of things we're going to do, obviously, is bust these clamps off here, take the filter out of there, go ahead and loosen this clamp, snag this off, this off, this off, and then there's going to be, shine the light down here. There's one clamp down here at the end of the factory intake pipe that we're going to remove, and then we'll take that'll remove the pipe in the top half of the box, and then we'll unbolt the bottom half of the box after that. See you guys in just a second. Alright, so we're going to do a quick little drive around, see what it's like. It's actually dropped down to like 60 degrees in South Florida, guys. Yeah, so yes, we have hoodies on because we don't know what to do. We're all freezing our ass off.
Back here?
Huh?
What? Got a plug back here?
No,
plug?
I got a plug up here though.
Oh, dead body in the back spot.
Never done that before.
Man, that shit just spun through second. Oh!
Yeah, there's definitely a lot more. It's not too bad.
How about he's making pulls with the AC on? Who does that? That's almost as bad as my buddy Bear getting tuned on 87.
I used to take the 89. Spin.
Spin.
All the way through second.
Alright, so the butt dyno is saying about probably 5 horsepower, so it takes usually don't feel any type of power gain, but this car never ever used to spin through second gear.
And there's a fat black guy in the back.
And it's clearly spinning through second gear. What did you say, Kurt?
Yeah.
What did you say?
I say
A fat black guy in the back seat. There are 3 of us right now.
And there's 3 of us in the car, so I'm surprised that it actually spun that much. But yeah, so the engine intake on a 2.0 Optima definitely makes a difference. Do a pull.
There we go. First gear.
Spin. Second spin. Oh, and it hooks. Third. Oh, there we go.
60.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm very happy. Definitely does difference. Makes a little bit more on the start. No hesitation in the pedal. Definitely
Awesome.
doing his job.
Slow!
Awesome.
Yeah, definitely a good buy, for sure.
So you guys, Kia Optima engine intakes, definitely worth purchasing and installing. See you guys around. Thanks for stopping by.